In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your transaction history in Wise. Navigating through your financial transactions efficiently can often mean wanting to tidy things up a bit. While it's important to note that you can't permanently delete your transaction history on Wise due to legal, financial, and compliance reasons, there is a way for you to hide specific transactions to keep your account organized and easy to manage. Let's dive into the process, which is both simple and user-friendly. First, the essential step is to log into your Wise account. You can do this through the Wise app on your mobile device or by visiting their website on your computer. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to either the activity or recent transactions section. This is where all your past dealings are listed, and it's your central hub for managing your transaction history. With the activity or recent transactions page open, browse through your transactions and locate the specific one you want to hide. This might be due to a variety of reasons, whether for privacy, organization, or simply to declutter the view. When you've found the transaction you wish to hide, click on it to open it up in a more detailed view. This expanded view allows you to see all relevant information related to that transaction, which might be useful before deciding to proceed with hiding it. In the top corner of this transaction view, you'll notice a menu represented by 3 dots. This is often referred to as the More Options or Overflow menu. Go ahead and tap on this icon. It's like a small treasure chest containing additional useful options and features for that specific transaction. Within this menu, you'll find the option to hide this activity. Selecting this will effectively remove the transaction from your main activity list, making your view cleaner and more focused on the transactions that matter most at a given time. Now, it's important to understand that hiding a transaction doesn't mean it's gone forever. Hidden transactions won't appear in your default activity list, offering a more streamlined view of your activities. However, these hidden transactions remain accessible when you need them. If you need to revisit them, you can easily search for them using the search feature in Wise. And there you have it. A straightforward and efficient way to manage your transaction history in Wise without losing important financial data. Remember, while you can't delete a transaction entirely, the ability to hide them helps maintain clarity and organization, making your financial management a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your Wise account more effectively.